Ever felt like an outsider at a gathering, watching others navigate social waters with ease? How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie turns the tide, offering timeless wisdom on forging connections that last. Imagine transforming every conversation into an opportunity for success. Carnegie's first secret? Listening. Genuinely engaging with others' interests, not just waiting for your turn to speak, opens doors to deeper connections. Carnegie unveils the magic of appreciation. A heartfelt compliment or acknowledgement goes beyond mere flattery. It's about recognizing and valuing others, a key to building trust and rapport. A person's name is to them the sweetest sound. Carnegie emphasizes the importance of remembering and using names. It's a simple act that conveys respect and attention, making every interaction more personal and impactful. Carnegie teaches that arguing wins no friends. Persuasion lies in understanding the other's viewpoint, finding common ground, and gently leading them to your perspective, all with a spirit of cooperation. Criticism can sting, but Carnegie's approach turns it into growth. He advises to listen calmly, acknowledge valid points, and use it as a stepping stone for improvement, fostering respect and self-development. Sincerity is not just a word for Carnegie, it's a cornerstone of influence. By truly caring for others' interests, we create bonds that are both meaningful and enduring, enriching our social fabric. Why did Carnegie pen this masterpiece? Amidst the Great Depression, he sought to offer hope, teaching that interpersonal skills could triumph over economic despair, a message that continues to resonate globally. Embrace Carnegie's wisdom, listen earnestly, appreciate genuinely, remember names, persuade kindly, accept criticism constructively, and engage with sincerity. These timeless principles not only win friends, but also forge lasting influence. How to Win Friends and Influence People is so much more than just a book. It's a blueprint for meaningful connections. Let Carnegie's insights guide you to a life enriched by deeper relationships and mutual respect.